DIY gel removal at home, and my 5 secrets for easy gel removal coming up. Greetings and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, I am Paola of paolaponcanails.com, your source for Japanese gel nail education and solopreneurship in the nail industry. So I think that in the 10 years of the gel nail boom in the US, many have already caught on to the steps and tools needed for a DIY gel manicure at home. You will need cotton, good acetone, foils or other wraps, a cuticle pusher, a coarse file, a sponge buffer, and a nourishing cream for before and after the removal. The step-by-step goes as follows, and you can use these same steps to remove any other type of fake nails, i.e. acrylic, dip nails, polygels, etc., except for hard gel. Step 0. Super optional, but I strongly recommend to nourish your cuticle and skin before you begin. Step 1. Shorten down the nails to your desired natural nail length. Step 2. Use a coarse file to thin down the product. Step 3. Cut your cotton into small pieces. Step 4. Saturate your cotton pieces with acetone and place on the nails. Step 5. Use foils or other types of wraps to securely hold your cotton in place. Step 6. Wait a few minutes and begin gently scraping the gel off of your nails. Step 7. Buff off any remaining product. Step 8. Replenish your cuticle and skin with creams or oils. Now, many of you have done these exact same steps but have run into problems and have ended forcibly removing the gel anyways. Well, here are my 5 secrets for easy gel removal without damage. Secret number 1. Make your hands warm. Cold fingers will stop or slow down the removal process. If your hands are cold during the gel removal process, use deli gloves or plastic grocery bags to create and maintain heat. Rub your hands together to create a little friction and increase that heat. Secret number 2. Unwrap each finger individually. A lot of people get so excited about just diving in and beginning the gel removal process, and so they just peel off all of the wraps at the same time. When you do that, however, you interrupt and freeze the removal process and you will have to start all over. Secret number 3. Let your acetone soak in for at least 15 minutes. Again, many get excited to just dive into scraping and do not give the gel removal process enough time. Start individually removing after 15 minutes. Secret number 4. File at least 60% of the product off. You heard me right, 60%. A lot of top coats are non-porous, which means acetone will not penetrate and effectively remove your gel nails. Also, oftentimes the top coat fuses with your colored gel layers, which is why it is not enough to just buff or file off the top coat. You will have to get in there and file down to the base coat if you want to experience a much quicker gel removal with acetone. Secret number 5. Foils or whatever other item you use to hold your cotton down need to be snug fitting. Acetone is highly volatile, which means it evaporates into the air quickly. If your foils are loose, your acetone will evaporate, thereby decreasing its strength. I see so many people scrunching up foils onto their fingers, not realizing they are creating air pockets and a loose fit. Now, if soon you decide to get back to another gel manicure, do check out my newly released DIY gel nail course. It will take you step by step into the application process of a professional grade gel manicure using Japanese gels. Check out that link below in the description box. And if you enjoyed watching this video, I post videos on Japanese gel and other quality soft gel nail systems like this one weekly. And sometimes I also throw in a bonus video Wednesday, and the only way to find out about those is to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.